All right, apologies. So this rain and network is not, they don't go hand in hand at all. But okay, I think I'm back. Can all hear me? Awesome. Okay, I'll just be sharing my screen now, and we'll be starting from lesson. We'll be starting from lesson 10. Please let me know, can we all still hear me? Can we all still hear me? Just mention
Yes.
section.
Pass this level.
Hold
I've
up.
passed this level.
I said hold
This
up.
is the easiest level ever.
Hold on. All right. Can you all see my screen with the code studio?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So
Yes.
I'm just going back to, so we're going to lesson 10.
Is this lesson 10?
No, this lesson.
Oh yes. I'm in lesson 12. I meant yes, lesson 13. Yes, lesson 13. I'm in lesson 13.
Arabic grade. And you older.
Lesson 12.
Don't. Okay, so lesson 10, we're going to look at artist intro. Okay, so I'm just going to play the video for everybody. Then I'm going to ask some questions. I believe we all watched this video. Okay, can you mute your microphones? Everyone mute your microphones, please. Mute the mic. All right, mute your mics. I'm waiting. Mute your mic.
These are your draw blocks. Use the correct one to move the artist where he needs to go to fill in the gray lines. These are jump blocks. When you use these, your artist moves but doesn't draw, so use these to jump to the next gray line.
Okay, very simple, very, very simple. So in this one, we want to learn how to use our codes, right? Want to learn how to use, oh, what is happening? Okay, so want to learn how to use our code to draw. Want to learn how to use our code to draw.
So easy. Drawing a castle.
Okay, so if you are yet to draw or do lesson 10, please start with us and just get to where we are. Okay, I think some people are not able to join the class. I'm seeing some notifications. Okay. All right. I think.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Who's calling my attention? Okay.
So, ma'am, please. Ma'am.
Yes, can I help you?
Please, I'm using a phone and I don't have where to be doing my Chrome.
You are what?
I said I'm using a phone. I'm not using a laptop or computer. So how am I going to do it if I don't have a computer or a phone? Because now I'm using a phone. And what am I going to be doing all this you are doing?
Okay, so a prerequisite before joining this class, we started about 4 weeks ago, is that you should have a laptop. So that is very important. You either have a laptop or you have a tablet before joining the class. That is very important. And if you,
Ma'am,
for adventure, you don't have
ma'am,
two, if for adventure you do not have any of the two, then you just listen in class and that's it.
ma'am.
Yes, can I help you?
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I would like
Can you hear me?
Message in the chat and not ask your questions to interrupt the class. Drop your message in the chat.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Can okay. Now to connect it to the laptop. I said I have a laptop.
All right, we're just going to continue. Okay, I believe everyone should have this. Hi, can you not disturb the class? Drop your messages on chat.
Ma'am.
Irelua, drop your message on the chat.
Hello, ma'am.
Don't interrupt the class.
Can you hear me? Ma'am.
Please, everybody that is texting.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
All right, hold on. I would have to remove her from the class before I continue. Back to lesson 10. Okay, so we're drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing, amazing. So was anybody not able to get this? If you were not able to get this, just raise your hand so that I would go back if you were not able to get any of this that was done so far. All right, so the next is a video.
I watched it plenty times.
If you have watched it, just hold on.
This is a repeat block. It'll let you loop the code inside as many times as you tell it to. To a computer, code that you write like this looks just like code that you write like this. Now, you know how to use a repeat block here and in other puzzles too.
Okay. All right, so let's continue. We're just going to do a few more in lesson 10. Then we'll move to lesson 11. Lesson 11. All right, so we'll need a repeat block here. A repeat block is to repeat that particular code a couple number of times that you set it to. So we're going to repeat this particular code how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So let's run. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's go to the last question that was there. Hi, Chibuzima. Hope you're doing great. So have you been able to get or to finish lesson Have you been able to finish lesson 14? Have you been able to finish lesson 14? Have you been able to finish lesson 10 rather? Okay, so
Yes. Excuse me.
don't interrupt. Drop a message on the chat.
Okay.
Okay, so the artist saw something funny in a distance. Drop what you think it saw. Ideas. All right. Okay. So we're trying to draw something funny. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So we're going to lesson 11. I think everybody has been able to successfully finish lesson 10. Mirabelle or someone else mentioned that you're still in lesson 8. So please finish up. If you're having any difficulties reaching or passing that particular stage, move on to the next one, or let me know on the group. Let me know on the Telegram group. Take a screenshot and let me know, okay, oh, I've not been able to pass this particular level or this particular challenge, and I'm going to put you through on the group. Okay, someone was asking a question. You are yet to drop it on the chat. Okay, so if you have any question, drop it on the chat. All right, the next thing is events. Everybody say events. 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 Okay. Talking about events. Let's watch this video very quickly so you know what events mean.
This lesson is called The Big Event. It's all about how we can control our programs and actually change the way a program runs on the fly using events, like the push of a button or the click of a mouse. For this lesson, you'll be controlled with a paper remote control. It's just like a real live video game. An event is an action that causes something to happen. It's like when you click the button on a mouse and a web page loads. That's an event. When you touch your screen on a tablet to scroll, that's an event also. Events are a great way of letting the user direct your program whenever they need or want to.
All right, we're just going to continue. To events, which is lesson 12. Okay, the first one is creating a story. Creating a story. So if this meeting should end, just join in again, okay? If the meeting
Time to get creative and use your coding skills to tell a story. Your story will have actors, and you'll be able to make these actors talk and interact with each other.
So create my own game. So I have to move around the cat and the dog and make them say things.
Start thinking of what kind of story you want to tell.
The cat's always been afraid of the dog, and what if the cat figures out the dog's just trying to be nice?
The win-run block starts everything. The move block will move your character, and the say block will make your character say whatever you type.
I was making the dog come over and say, hi. She'll be all scared.
This is the win actors collide block, which you can link up to the other blocks.
I was making the dog come over and say, hi, but then the cat got scared, so ran away. Ah. If there was more time, it would have been a happy ending.
The end. Okay, so we're going to use events in creating a story. So events are like set of actions that you want to happen at a particular time. So, oh, when this is happening, this should happen, or when that is happening, the other one should happen. Okay, so we're going to use events to create a story. And in this case, we're using animals, right? We're going to be using different animals to create a particular story. Okay, so here is the activity. This is a play lab level. So here we just want to move the blocks to see. We just want to move the blocks to see what is happening. We're going to move the blocks to see what's going to happen by the time we move any block. Okay, so let's see. Set the dog to a sad mode. Okay, so I want to set the dog to be sad. Let's see. Yeah, so the dog is sad. Okay. Then play a sound. Play a sound. I'm trying to see. Let me see. Yeah. Then move the dog up. Okay. Let's say right. Okay. So these are different things you can do. So we're just going to be playing around depending on the activity they give us to do in the next instruction. So what did I say events are? Events are set of actions you want to happen like simultaneously. You want them to happen at the same time. You want them to happen at the same time. So we're going to go to the next puzzle now. Please, if you are in lesson 12, just follow me through, because at the end of today's class, we all should be getting our first certificate.
Number 4, lesson 12.
Yeah, just all done. So I'm in number 3 now. Okay, so the instruction. Job the dog wants to say hi there. Can you help him? Okay, so we want the dog to say hi there. We want the dog to say hi there. All right, so this is the block of code that says say. Say. So let's see the options here. There's dog and there is a frog, or what's this? An alligator. Okay, so we want the dog to say hi there. Let's see if this is correct. Hi there. Yes, that is very correct. Very, very correct. Good, good, good. Okay, next one. Yes, so help the dog get moving by connecting the move arrow block to the when event block that is already in the workspace. Okay, use the arrow keys or press the arrow button to move George to the flag and finish the level. Okay, so it says we should connect this move block to this other block of events, okay? That is when. So move block connecting to when. All right, so let's connect that. Let's connect that, hold on. When, then connect a move. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is, so it says when I press this left arrow. Okay, let's see. All right, so let's see. Run. Okay, 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 okay. All right, so I'm just going to explain this to us. Okay, so when run, do this. Then when you press this left arrow is this particular one here. Then you should move your dog.
Excuse me, ma. Please, can you let the previous person in? She wants to come in the class, but she can't.
Ma, please. Ma, please. There was network problem, so we were not able to listen to you.
All right, I'm going to take that again. As I mentioned,
Thank you.
if you want to say anything, drop it in the chat or raise your hand. Then I would attend to you. Don't just say that. You don't just